Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to completely disable the vibrate function for messages in the Botim app. If you find the vibration notifications annoying or distracting, this simple adjustment will first open the Botim app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and select the notifications option. Under the message notification section, you will see an option labeled Vibrate. Click on it, and a small menu will appear with different choices. Finally, choose Off to disable the vibrate function for messages completely. Once you have done this, your phone will no longer vibrate when you receive new messages on Botim, making your notification experience quieter and less disruptive. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.